It's been a sizzling hot start to the work week, especially over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, with a few of the highs even heading into the low 40s. On our satellite, you'll see a bit of cloud moving in from the west with thunder showers forming over the central interior, after those larger thunderstorms flaring up in the northeast due to the heat. And then our satellite shows some low cloud over KwaZulu-Natal, where we also saw some rainfall much earlier on in the day. A cold front heads out into the Indian Ocean on Tuesday, and it's followed by a ridging high that pushes in cooler air over the eastern part of the country, breaking the heat wave conditions in the northeast. It also brings in rainfall mainly along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline. We'll see isolated to scattered thunder showers forming over the northeastern and eastern interior, with another sizzling hot day over the central and northern interior, partly cloudy and warm though as we head further west. There's a high fire danger warning over the interior with runaway fires possible within the shade of red, and there's a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms for Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo, the northwest and KwaZulu-Natal, and the advisory for heatwave conditions continues over parts of the Free State, the northwest and the northern Cape. We'll see a cooler day for KwaZulu-Natal with most highs in the low 20s and the possibility of rainfall, warm over the northwestern parts with isolated to scattered thunder showers. You'll see a mild to warm day throughout the Eastern Cape with rain mainly along the coast and some drizzle as we head further inland, 22 degrees for Port Elizabeth. Dry as we head further west, but with highs remaining in the low 20s all the way through to Mussel Bay, partly cloudy and warm throughout the Western Cape with highs heading into the low 30s over the interior, Cape Town at 28. We'll see a bit of fog moving in along the west coast with a sizzling hot day mainly over the northern part of the northern Cape with heatwave conditions continuing. This heatwave conditions also continue for the Free State with thundershowers in the forecast mainly over the eastern part of the province. A toasty 40 degrees with partly cloudy and dry weather for Vryburg, but with isolated thundershowers as we head further east. Heatwave conditions also continue for the northwest with most highs in the middle and upper 30s. We're forecasting slightly cooler weather over the eastern part of Limpopo with scattered thundershowers over the southwestern part. You'll also see cooler weather from Mpumalanga, 23 for Bombela and Ermelo, with up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms and a watch for severe thundershowers for the Mpumalanga Highveld as well as Gauteng. You'll see a cooler day for Gauteng despite the warm temperatures, 33 degrees for Pretoria with the rest of those highs at around 30 with scattered thundershowers expected. On Wednesday, we're forecasting thundershowers in the northeast with cloudy, wet and cool weather continuing over the eastern parts, partly cloudy and dry for the rest of South Africa. A similar day is expected on Thursday with thundershowers mainly over the central and northeastern parts, but with that dry and hot weather returning to KwaZulu-Natal. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.